Hi guys, it's Thursday today and just giving you an update on one of the trades I've taken this week. It's been a tough week, but I've just managed to catch one trade which looked attractive, which I shared with you on Monday around the evening time, which is the AUDUSD. So this has now come into the area, and we can see this is around 23% profit. Multiple reasons. The uh, 55 weekly, 255 daily over there. M2 pullback basically. So I have a 50 pip stop, and I'm looking to make at least around 150. Let's see how it does. I might even get out over here around 100 pips if it comes there by Friday, which is tomorrow. So let's see how it goes. But I was also telling you about the pound Aussie in the webinar, just to wait and be patient with it. And you can see there, I was saying the oppositely correlated. So when this was coming in here, there was a higher chance that this could also bounce off to the downside. The only problem with it is just the EMAs over here. So this might actually work out pretty good for around maybe 200 pips if it goes down, if the Aussie keeps going up. But the EMAs and also the news that was there this morning with the PMI just made it a bit 50-50 on this if it would work. But at the moment, it's working out pretty good. But let's see. But this one was a much cleaner setup, nothing in the way here, as you can see, no EMAs all at the bottom. But let's see how that one goes. Dollar index retrieved a bit from yesterday's Fed meetings. Nothing new about it, but all it was saying was they'll probably hold rates a bit longer because inflation is there to stay a bit more than that they forecasted. So dollar retrieved a bit back up there. But yeah, let's see how the AUD goes, and I'll keep you updated on that.